Today, I'm taking on the challenge of exploring why mosquitoes are responsible for 1 million deaths every year, and what we can do to stop them. Mosquitoes are often viewed as nothing more than a nuisance, a mild irritation that we swat at or shoo away. But the reality is that these tiny creatures are responsible for millions of deaths every year, making them one of the deadliest animals on the planet. Malaria, dengue, and Zika are just a few of the diseases that mosquitoes transmit to humans through their bites. These diseases aren't just minor illnesses either, they can be life-threatening and have devastating consequences for individuals, families, and entire communities. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, nearly half of the world's population is at risk of contracting one of these diseases. That's a staggering 3.9 billion people. Mosquitoes are often found in tropical and subtropical regions, where these diseases are most prevalent. But it's not just developing countries that are affected. Mosquito-borne diseases can occur anywhere, and outbreaks have been reported in the United States, Europe, and other developed nations. These diseases are a major public health concern, and their impact cannot be overstated. Malaria alone is responsible for over 400,000 deaths annually, with children under the age of 5 and pregnant women being disproportionately affected. Dengue fever, another mosquito-borne disease, affects up to 100 million people worldwide each year, causing severe flu-like symptoms, joint pain, and even death. And Zika, which gained international attention in recent years due to its link to birth defects, is a constant threat to communities in the Americas, Africa, and Southeast Asia. The impact of these diseases is felt far beyond the individual level, with significant economic and social burdens placed on healthcare systems, economies, and societies as a whole. Mosquitoes are incredibly resilient creatures, able to adapt to changing environments and evade efforts to control their populations. Female mosquitoes can lay up to 300 eggs at a time, and their larvae can thrive in even the smallest amounts of standing water. This means that everything from flower pots to bird baths can become breeding grounds for these disease-spreading insects. Furthermore, mosquitoes are attracted to dark colors, sweat, and body heat, making humans the perfect target for their bites. To make matters worse, mosquitoes are becoming increasingly resistant to insecticides and other forms of control. This has led experts to call for new, innovative approaches to mosquito control, including genetically modified mosquitoes and drones equipped with mosquito-killing lasers. But despite these efforts, mosquito populations continue to thrive, and their impact on global health remains a pressing concern. In recent years, there have been some promising breakthroughs in the fight against mosquitoes. For example, researchers have been working on developing a vaccine against dengue fever, which has shown significant promise in clinical trials. Additionally, there have been efforts to introduce natural predators of mosquitoes, such as certain species of fish, into areas where mosquito populations are high. These approaches hold promise, but more work needs to be done to fully address the scale of the problem. One recent campaign that has shown particular promise is the Eliminate Dengue program, which is working to introduce a naturally occurring bacterium called Wolbachia into mosquito populations. This bacterium prevents mosquitoes from transmitting dengue fever, and has already shown significant success in reducing disease transmission in field trials. Efforts like these are crucial in the fight against mosquitoes and the diseases they spread. So what can we do to stop mosquitoes from killing 1 million people every year? The answer is awareness and prevention. By understanding the risks posed by mosquitoes and taking simple steps to prevent their bites, we can significantly reduce the spread of disease. This includes using insect repellents, wearing protective clothing, and eliminating standing water around our homes and communities. We must also continue to support research and development of new approaches to mosquito control, and work together to raise awareness about the dangers posed by these deadly insects. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your thoughts on mosquito control, and what do you think we can do to stop these deadly creatures? Be sure to check out some of our other videos on public health and disease prevention, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.